So this has been perfect for me, but you know, it's ready to go as well. Very sturdy, and you know, the magnet ones really help me for placement. I think for me, they've been really good. Steve Williams here, Midwest Shirt Company. So they sent me one, and this is the blue ones, and Sewtalent. If you can see that there, it's probably reversed maybe, but Sewtalent. That is 240 by 240 millimeter. Very strong magnets, and it's a magnet. You know, mine are for the Rincoma. You see behind me. This is the 2001 20 needle Rincoma. So you want to make sure it has the bracket that has the little, you know, divot there, because when it slides into your thing there, that little divot's got to go into, it's like a peg or whatever you call it. And this is on the other side, which is just kind of a flat blank little thing of screws, and you'll notice that it's got a little bitty screwdriver in there and a lot of extra screws. I only need 6, but they've got extra in there, which is nice. So you want to watch me put this together real quick? All right, so with that time lapse, you see that I got it all together. It's great that it comes with a little screwdriver. You can keep these guys for other things, but what's great about this is you're not going to over tighten and strip a screw out, which can happen. I mean, these are really small screws, so be careful not to over tighten. Don't use it in some kind of power drill or something like that, because you're just going to end up screwing it up. You know, and making sure you get your brackets on the right sides. So I like to have mine where the words are faced to me when I'm looking at it. So this was my right side, it's my left. Put my little thing on there, so when it slides in, it's perfect. And it's ready to go. I mean, this is a 9x9, perfect for doing a chest piece. I think average design for a chest is going to be 9 to 10, or I'm sorry, 9 to 11. So this will still work for a nice design, and it's nice and wide. So if I was going to do something a little wider, I would go with the 12x7, which I have. That's what I got the other day, and because I want to do, you know, 11 across the chest, but this would still work for, you know, 90% of the shirts you're into that way. So magnets, even though I know it's there. So these work on your station as well. So this is my station. Right now I have it set up for the small piece, but basically I have the bigger pieces that go on the bottom, for the top and bottom for that. 5.1 by 5.1, which is what my station's set up for right now. You know, you put your shirt on there, and it's ready to go. But you know, it's ready to go as well. Very sturdy, and so, you know, don't be afraid to buy some of this stuff. Again, I'll put a link below, so if you need anything, you can, you know, contact them and order one up. Make sure you're ordering the right brand of machine. You can measure your brackets from side to side on where you like them. I don't like to move my brackets in and out. I prefer to get hoops that are, you know, the same size every time. So you'll notice these guys are, you know, the same width. And if you have a particular width, just measure your width, look at the brackets and make sure, like, oh, that's the kind of bracket I want, and make sure you're ordering the brand that you're looking for. So they're both very strong. I've used both the magnet hoop and the magnet frames. And anyways, if you have any questions, please comment below. Look for more videos of me using these frames on my machine to embroider stuff. I'm fairly new to embroidery, and so I'm still learning and trying to find the best products at a better price. These frames legit are half the price of the magnet hoops, and I think for me they've been really good, and I'm not seeing any big differences or anything like that. So if you want something that's half the price, check them out. And this is what I've chosen to use, because I hated the old school frames. I've got a ton of them that came with the machine. You know, the magnet ones really help me for placement. I do a lot of polos for companies, and I need that placement to be perfect, so that's why I've got my small ones on here. So when I slip that polo on. For me, the 5.1 frame has been perfect for polos. Most of your designs are about 4 inches, so this has been perfect for me. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments. That's all I got for you. Thanks.